Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Protect the furnace at all costs!
Suicide, you need to be on the bellows operator. I mean the security guard after the bellows operator gets to 50%.
Drop and go.
Get those billows popping!
Keep me up.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Dropping.
Bellows coming down there.
Bellows now guys, to 50%.
Same.
Down your bomb, quick!
I will crush you!
Bring that engineer down.
Break this bellows off.
Alright, now get in the furnace and
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
much better.
Still on the shield.
Shrap, just help the sucks. I just wasted violent hands.
Get ready to go on the left, back left, bellows operator guys.
Sell him, get ready.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That side's one bomb.
Right, strike.
Stun! Guys, we'll sweat them out!
No one here.
Sucks up and Shrap.
Break the keep going, yeah.
One more on right, kill it as soon as you can.
Gotcha.
Splash time.
Let's get him together. Move in.
The Fury has broken free!
Get in for the bubble. Everyone should be on the moon for the bubble. Except the first.
We have it under control!
If you're fixated, stay out too.
So take those guards out. Take
Get
those
the
guards
first, get this first slag elemental over there. Here.
Yep.
Everyone else
One
should
on
be
it.
out with a slag.
Pre-dot now, pre-dot now.
Stay in there
Next.
close.
Elementals.
Squat.
What was it?
Yeah, can you interrupt it so it comes?
Moving away, mate. Go back in.
Yeah, you do. Take it in now, take it in now.
On moon now guys. Fire calls are coming in, make sure they actually come in. Pre-dot. Get ready to swap now. Make sure you keep getting interrupts. Start heading over. Fixate on me. Interrupt blue, please.
Yeah, Diva this one. Diva.
Drop
Yep.
the guard. Drop the
Get
guard.
on blue.
So there's another fixate there. Make sure you're not in there as well.
That's on surface, he can't. Mine's about to die now. Pre-dot. Swap now. Fire calls are in. Everyone should be on the elemental list. Health tonics. Interrupt moon. Please interrupt the moon slag elemental, one of the range.
Minor.
Guys.
Dot the guards up as 3.
Get on the moon, slag elemental, please.
Dude, I'm gonna taunt skull. I'm done.
Swap now. Keep interrupts on the fire callers. Had take your slag elemental over. Clean up the security guard and everything else on us. Get on blue, please. Kill that security guard off, that's really...
Yeah, I drank it.
Swap now.
Barry is down.
You drop these fire call. One's running off. Get on the moon marker now. Get on the moon marker.
Can I get a sec?
Free dot. You got burn. Hard burn.
Fuck you, him. Oh, good revive.
Oh, so.
No, great revive.
Drinking.
Doing this fire call, just hard burn. Alright.
Element.
Move around.
I gave you another sec, Rev.
Fire callers are in.
Drinking.
Go in this sag elemental, the blue one.
Personals. Minor amp, please.
Swap now. Everyone on this sag elemental list.
Dot the guards.
Keep dotting the guards too, guys. We're way ahead here.
Can we put a marker down where we're stacking for phase 4, please?
It's right at the back. Where we are behind us now. Interrupt
Red.
moon, bring it in.
Is that...
Get on it now. That's fine. We won't be going that far back, that'll be where you run the melts. The boss will come up to... Swap now, swap. I always stun these
Devoing next swap.
ads.
Yep.
Help time.
Tranking. Uppers is tranking.
Elementalist guys, come on. 8 seconds.
Can I get a sec?
Burn it.
Sucks up.
Get the fire callers down, guys. Fire callers and security guards. Health tonics. Personals here, guys. This is...
Don't stack up with fixate.
Yep, this is fine. Just run the melts back. Where we are now is fine. Get the security
Okay,
guards
Drax.
down, guys.
Try and use the F word.
Get blue down.
Causey F.
2 on me, taunt.
Strom out.
Get the last security guard, please. If you have a fixate, spread. If you do not have a fixate, stay on behind the bot.
Strom again.
Is security dead yet? Need Rav to taunt the boss.
I have a fixate and melee. I'm staying to the side.
Fear Craver.
Move the boss.
Wigazi.
Move the...
Minor amp.
Track out the boss.
Health
Lano.
tonics, guys, if you like.
Take the...
I'm just gonna revive as soon as I get it.
Yep.
Move in the...
10 seconds.
Kawazi.
Storm's got the boss now.
Causey again.
10 seconds on hit. Do you have an amp for the next blast? Amp if you have...
Strom.
No.
I can hit him next.
Rav, grab the
Will,
boss,
I'll hit him
please.
next.
Wigazi.
Oh, next one, I'll hit him next one.
It does.
Second pot, when it's best.
30 seconds
On the lad.
Shrek has the boss.
I smoke by melee. Superheated. He's superheated. Just when you want to dump everything. Every personal's.
Track it. Track it.
You're up.
15 seconds.
We get Fox, if you can.
Keep moving the boss. We need to move the boss. Second tonic.
Alright,
Last now. Last.
Malad sack storm. Malad sack storm. Super sack storm, please.
What's it now?
Had.
Watch mount. Move boss. Move. Good work, guys.
Nice.
yeah!
Yeah.
Yeah, boy!
Didn't even.